Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. I was craving Chipotle. So I said, listen, I'm going to have to make me some copycat Chipotle and, just fulfill these cravings that I had. I got some ranch Doritos and, oh my gosh, let's get into it. So here I have some chicken thighs, skinless chicken thighs that's seasoned with basically taco seasoning. So it's like cumin, paprika, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and all that good stuff. Pop that in the oven on 400 until it is cooked through. And now we're about to make salsa fresca. All right, salsa fresca, also known as Pico De Gallo. Also, we're gonna make some guacamole. That's what we're doing first. Oops. So you're gonna add your avocado, add some red onions, add your cilantro, add your tomato, your minced garlic. We're gonna go ahead and add some lime juice, black pepper, salt, blend that up. I wanted a nice smooth guacamole so that I can easily dip my chip and my chip is not breaking in it. And this came out fantabulous. Chicken is done. This was such an easy recipe. There's no Chipotle near me where I'm at in the boondocks, so I needed to make my own Chipotle. Okay, listen. Red onions, tomato, cilantro, minced garlic. We got some fresh lemon juice, some vinegar, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, a little bit of cayenne, not too much now. We were going to a friend's house and I wanted to make, she was also craving Chipotle, so I made Chipotle for me, her, and Lexi. All right, and now in this pot I'm going to make a roux because I'm actually going to make a cheese sauce. So some butter, some flour, stir, 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 add your milk, stir, stir, stir. We're just going to keep doing that, adding milk a little at a time, adding cheese a little at a time until we have a nice smooth consistency. And I seasoned my cheese sauce with Sazon tropical and black pepper. And you're just going to keep on keeping on. I did cheddar cheese and a mix of Mexican blend cheese. And I'm just going to whip up some onions, green pepper, and corn on the stove on medium heat and some oil, seasoned with black pepper, salt, red pepper flakes. And this was just so simple. As you can see, just very, very, very simple to make. I'm going to go ahead and first I'm going to break up the chicken into some pieces, then I'm going to actually chop it. Because I remembered, I said, oh yeah, it's not shredded at Chipotle, they actually chop it. And then voila. And I also have a side of sour cream. I also made some delicious rice. Yo, this was so good. I promise you tasted like Chipotle. And then with the ranch Doritos, it just took it to another level. I love ranch Doritos. It's the best flavor Dorito. Yum. So good. Let me know what Chipotle bowls you like. When you go to Chipotle, what do you get in your Chipotle bowl or in your burrito or with your nachos? I used to always get the chicken. That was my favorite. Look, when you get a ranch chip like that, oh, so good. Thank y'all for tuning in. God bless.